So here we go, 3 must-have mods for your Royal Enfield Himalayan. These are super cheap and easy to install. So first up is your side stand enlarger. You pick this up for about 10-15 euros. You can get on many different websites, and also you can get Chinese versions of it shipped quite cheaply across Europe. It increases the footprint of the side stand foot, and it also helps with the lean angle. 4 bolts, very easy to install. It looks good too. Next up is a bracket that just goes in behind the windscreen, and this becomes your nav rack. I'm going to be installing the phone. I just like to use the phone. It's handy, it's easy to use and navigate. Remove the windscreen, slot in the new bracket, put the windscreen back on and tighten the bolts, and there you have it. Again, cheap and cheerful, less than 20 euros, easy to get. And last but not least, I think everybody should definitely do this, is install a wired charger for the bike. This charger will allow you to charge your bike in the winter months if it's not being used, but it'll also allow you to connect an extra USB, heated gear, many other accessories. For me, I primarily use it to keep the battery in a good condition. 3 must-have mods that everyone can do and afford. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.